Here is a Trane XC1200 straight cool air conditioner at a nursing home. Climate Tough Reset from the Trane Odyssey. This one's a heat pump. This one's from 2018, I believe. Unsure of the tonnage. It's got an Alliance scroll. Here's a Carrier Comfort heat pump. 2018 4-ton. Open spoke compressor. Trane commercial. Now this is a single phase from 2011. It's a 4-ton XP13. Don't know what in the world that is. That might be a silencer for a compressor. This one's a heat pump as well. Another Trane. This one's a heat pump, 1999, 3-ton, probably like an XC1000. Carrier Comfort running. This one's running in heat mode. Some more units over here. One of those over there just turned on. (2014) 3-ton, 3-phase. Gentech motor. Can't tell what mode it's running in. It's a Lennox 2016 5-ton. This one could be in either heat mode or cool mode. This one's a heat pump. I don't know if this one's a heat pump. Oh yeah, that's a heat pump. I can see the reversing valve down there. The only straight cool would appear to be that XC1200. Here's another Trane. Yeah, there's a lot of units on the property, but I can't get to all of them because I don't want to be given grief for quote-unquote trespassing. All right, I guess